This past fall, Ubuntu released their version 9.1, and it is a very nice update. And one of the nicest parts of the update, I think, is the Ubuntu Software Center, where you can easily install many programs via the web in a couple of clicks. Makes things for beginners very nice. However, you do want to add a couple of new what are called repositories to what Ubuntu searches for, so you can add more things to the Software Center. And what you want to do first is go into Firefox, and I want you to type in tinyurl.com/27vslb, as in here. Press enter. This is going to get you to the Medibuntu area, and there's two things you're going to want to copy and paste into a terminal window. Now, don't let this scare you if you are new to Ubuntu. We're going to highlight this first set of code. You can go from beginning to end or end to the beginning, either way. So we're going to copy that. Just right click and copy, or Control C. We're going to come up to Applications, and then Accessories, and finally Terminal. You're going to get your terminal there. I usually do Control Shift V, but you can also do Edit and Paste. Either way gets you to the same end. Press Enter on your keyboard. It's going to ask you for your password. Type it in, and it's going to add all these lists to your system. And this is going to allow you to access more data via the software manager. So that's already finished. Leave that window open. We're going to come back to Firefox, and there's one more code here that we want to get, and that's this one right here. We're going to highlight it. Again, copy and paste. Go back to our terminal and paste in the command and hit enter. If you get an error when you press your command, when you press enter, that means you didn't copy all of the code properly, so go back and recopy it. Now we're finished with the terminal, so you can close it. In fact, we're going to close Firefox as well. We're going to come up here to Applications, and then the Ubuntu Software Center. Now you can install many programs through the Ubuntu Software Center, and you can either start by clicking a category, or what they're calling departments, and looking for an item that you'd like to install. For example, if I type in Solitaire here, many of my clients love Solitaire. I get a bunch of options here on Solitaire. And let's say we want to do the Mahjong Solitaire. If I bring it up, I can read some more information on it, even get a little screenshot, and then I can simply click the Install button, and off I go to install the program. The nice thing about adding those codes that we did in there as well is we can install some things that prior to the Software Center you had to go to the command line for. For example, Flash. In order to play videos in Firefox, I can click here and go to the Adobe Flash plugin, or which one you want to use. Click the little arrow again on the right, and then install. So it works pretty darn well. Give that a shot, and it's going to make your Ubuntu life even more fun than it already is.